All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Look man, wearing fragrance is easy. A little spritz here, a little spritz there, then boom, you are done and ready to tackle the world. However, if you're looking to wear a fragrance in a manner that is going to help you be more attractive and garner more compliments, then you have to put a little bit more attention into detail. That's why in today's video, we're discussing a fragrance routine that is going to make you 99% more attractive. Look, I get it. I already know what you're thinking. Yo, B, I am already a handsome devil. All the ladies in the local book club spend their time sharing and comparing notes, talking about their love for my manliness. I get it. You're kind of a big deal. And even my guy, Javier Garcia, aka Mr. Most Attractive 2005, would agree with these tips. Although this isn't the first thing, because of the nature of this channel, I'll start here. I think one of the mistakes that most guys make in regards to increasing their attractiveness is not wearing a fragrance. You see, I never fully understood the people out there who would say, yo, B, no one cares if you're wearing a fragrance. And to that, I'd say, you may be right. I don't say that at all. But they would certainly appreciate it if you did, especially if you wear your fragrances in combination to the fragrance tips I'm going to give you in today's video. See, your sense of smell is your most powerful sense and more closely related to memory than any of your senses combined. Remember, people may not always remember what you said, but they will always remember how you made them feel. And if you're wearing that special fragrance around that special someone and it gives them that special feeling of joy and excitement, then you are likely well on your way to increasing your level of attractiveness. Especially when compared to someone who chooses not to take this topic as serious. Remember, picking the right fragrance for the right occasion is definitely going to make you step up your game to be grooming like a pro and increase your attractiveness just that much more. Now, the next fragrance routine tip in your quest to become 99% more attractive is actually the first thing you should do, because if you don't do this, everything else goes out the window. This fragrance routine tip serves as the basis for all of your smell good efforts. See, if you fail to do this one, as I said, everything else goes out the window. And this tip is to have a proper hygiene routine. And in my personal opinion, having a proper hygiene routine, an adequate proper hygiene routine, really goes far beyond just having the wherewithal to take a shower. There are several things to be aware of here, like brushing your teeth, flossing, and using mouthwash, because these things are essential to make sure you're having that fresh breath and not that peppy lip here. And since we're discussing hygiene, it's also uber important to keep your nails trimmed, to make sure you don't get any gunk and dirt under your nails, and also to make sure that you are visiting the barber regular. Now, I know you're like, yo, B, you look crazy right now, and I know I do, but we're in COVID right now, so I have an excuse. And prior to this, my routine had me going to the barber at least once a week, and since I already have my boo thing, I get a pass. But enough about that, let me get back to the topic at hand. See, showering and having a proper skincare routine is an essential component when it comes down to making sure you're on your track to becoming more attractive. And in my personal opinion, it's best when your skincare routine doesn't only leave you looking and feeling good, it also doesn't compete with your fragrance of choice, which is exactly why I recommend today's video sponsors, Tiege Hanley. Look, having a proper skincare routine is more than just washing your face, but it should not be difficult. And Tiege Hanley has done a great job of removing all the barriers because it's uncomplicated skincare for men. They come pre-packaged with everything you need and nothing you don't. And when I say this thing is uncomplicated, that's exactly what I mean. Everything is shipped directly to your door, so you don't have to go to the store and try to figure out what works, this and that, and potentially come across someone with COVID. No. They are looking out for you. If playing the game of attraction is your aim, then the fragrance is the perfect part to complete the puzzle. And Tiege Hanley does a great job, again, of not competing with your fragrance of choice. And then they also make sure that your skin looks hydrated, looks well nourished, and not oily, which could compete against your end game. And as most things in life, quality, value, and results are paramount. And I really believe that Tiege Hanley hit on all three for me. I've been using these products for well over a year and telling you guys about them. So no matter if you're starting with the level 3 skincare kit like myself, which includes everything you need, You're gonna have the face wash, you're gonna have the facial scrub, which just happens to be my favorite part. You're also gonna have that super serum to make sure that your skin is primed and ready. You're gonna have some eye cream to reduce wrinkles, and then you also have your AM and or PM moisturizer. Yes, you're ready for the night and or day. So no matter if you are using a level 3 skincare kit like myself, you just need the basics, or maybe you need some acne treatment, they are there to help you. All you have to do is click down on the link down below, and they are going to look out for you because you're watching this video. They have a special offer for you. All you have to do is click down below and they know that I got you. And if you don't believe me about skincare, man, you can tune in to any GQ episode of 10 Things I Need, and most of those celebrities on there are going to tell you that a proper skincare routine is key. So you ain't got to take it from me. Now this next statement may sound like common sense, but what I've learned in life is common sense isn't always common, and this one is key, and that is understanding that a proper clothing care routine is going to go a long way in ensuring that you do not emit certain odors. Now I know there are varying views out there about proper clothing care routines, and I understand both sides of the spectrum. So no matter if you're looking to keep your blacks black, so I think one of the more popular ones is really surrounded around denim. I know a lot of people out there choose not to wash their denim, but you have to make sure if you're not washing your denim, you're taking the proper steps to ensure they don't get all funky. Odors within clothing come from a number of factors, including sweat, dead skin, germs, etc. Or even if you leave them in the washer too long before drying them, they can get mildewy. So those are some things to understand before you hit the streets in your clothing. Now, if you're on the side of the fence of deciding not to wash your denim, make sure you are taking those special precautions. I think one of the things that I've heard out there that a lot of people look to do when not washing their denim is actually put them in a deep freezer. That is going to slow the production of germs that cause odor, which should leave your jeans smelling fresh, and then sometimes you can hit them with a little smell good. Now, many of the detergents you can find within your local grocery stores or Walmart or Target will do wonders for you. However, if you're looking to step it up just a bit, you can always look online or visit one of the luxury department stores out there, and they also have luxury detergents that are going to ensure your clothes are looking, smelling, and feeling great. The reality of it is this: a lot of detergents and fabric softeners out there really trying to recreate some of the things that are going on in the luxury fragrance world. So you're gonna see a ton of different variants in terms of what these detergents smell like. Now, they're not gonna be super niche, but they will definitely help you go in the right direction. So there you have it. This is a fragrance routine that is going to help you be 99% more attractive, because I guarantee you the ladies don't want you smelling like a bum, all right? So we're covering everything, all bases, all right? We got your hygiene in order, we got your fragrance right, and we also got your clothing game right. And then make sure you're doing everything right. Make sure you holler at my people at Tej Hanley. Click the link down below for a special hookup, because you're rocking with me on this channel. As always, I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. All right, you handsome devil, hit the goddamn bell.